Am I the only one that didn't know the difference between halal and haram? Let's get it straight. In Islam, everything we do falls into two main categories: halal, which means permissible, and haram, which means forbidden. Pretty simple, right? Halal is anything allowed by Islamic law. For instance, eating fruits, vegetables, and meat from animals slaughtered in the right way. Even actions like kindness and honesty are considered halal. Haram, on the other hand, includes things that are off limits. Think of eating pork, drinking alcohol, or lying. These are clear no-goes in Islam. So, next time you're unsure, ask yourself, is it halal or haram? It's all about making choices that align with your faith. Remember, living a halal lifestyle isn't just about food, it's a way of life. Stay informed, stay mindful, and keep it halal.